everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're joining me, my name is Jason and I do unboxings. I haven't made a video in a couple weeks just because of the holidays, and I've actually started back at school now. And I was waiting for some boxes to show up, so I actually have a couple things that I'm going to film today. And in this video I will be doing an unboxing, and this unboxing is of a beauty box. It's called Testtube Beauty by New Beauty. So if that's something that you'd like to see, then keep watching. Alright, so let's just get right into this box. As I said in my intro, this is a beauty box. This box is bi-monthly. It's every other month, and it is Testtube Beauty by New Beauty. It's, I believe, $29.95 bi-monthly. So let's show you this. The box comes in just a plain box like this. All right. And then when you open up the box, usually some of the stuff, not everything fits in the test tube. So when you open up the box, it looks like this. So let's go ahead and pull some of these things out. These Micro Point for Dark Spots Mighty Patch. So, I'm assuming that this is your dark spots. So, yeah, so blemishes, dark spots, visibly erase post-blemish marks. Okay, so if you've had a blemish and it's finally, gone down, but you still have a little bit of that redness, that's what these help get rid of. So these, how many? There's 6 patches in these, so it'll be good to try. I've been getting a stupid little blemish here that I've actually tried. I've got other acne patches that I've gotten in other boxes that I've put on here. I can't really tell you whether they've worked or not. This is like the most irritating blemish that I've had in a while. So, but I think it's finally going away because it's a little less irritated right now. But anyway, that's the first item that we have in there. If I can find prices, I'll put them in the description box below for you. This next thing, this is interesting. I don't think I've ever gotten one of these in a beauty box or skincare box before. I don't know if you can see this that well with the light. There we go. So these look like supplements. Immune Daily Wellness, Youtheory, Full Spectrum Mushrooms and Wellmune, plus mushrooms plus Wellmune, 60 vegetarian capsules. It's got vitamin C, vitamin D3, zinc. Okay, so I might be able to try these, but my husband will not try these because he doesn't do well with zinc. So, I don't know. I'll have to research these a little bit more. I really only take one supplement right now, and that's vitamin D, just because I live in New York and we're still in the pandemic, so I don't go out much, so I'm not getting much sun. So I do take vitamin D daily, but I don't know. I'll look and see. This is interesting to get. I've never gotten supplements in a beauty box before, so. All right. Next thing in here is we're finally going to get into the actual test tube. And these are kind of fun. The test tube looks like this. All right. Yeah, the top is just a plain old orange. And you just open it like this. You just pull the top part off. And this is what we've got inside. I do like these because I've only gotten one other box so far, but I'm using that test tube to hold like pens and stuff for my office. So they're useful for other things. All right, let's go ahead and look and see what we got in this box. This first thing I'm going to pull out is Eminence Organic Skincare, Manoi Age Corrective Night Cream for face and neck. It's in this, it looks like it's probably a sample size, like a deluxe sample size. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, come on. All right, here we go. Okay, so yeah, this looks like it's a deluxe sample. I don't know, maybe it's a full size for this, but it's just this little jar. And it's a night cream, so I do have a couple night creams already. It's got a safety seal on it, which is good. Let's see what this, oh, it actually has a really good scent. It's just like this cream, that light is really, let me see if I can turn down that light slightly for you guys, sorry. But this is the cream, it's a little bit better. Anyway, I can't describe the scent, but it's a very like fresh smelling scent. So, all right, well, I'm happy to try that. Let's go ahead and look at the next item. Surprisingly enough, these tubes hold a lot more than you would think they do. So, this is from Grand Cosmetics, and this is Grand Pop Plumping Liquid Blush. All right. Pop Off Cheek Lifting Color. 96% saw plumper cheeks. 90% saw natural cheek lift. I'm trying to see if there's like a color listed on here. I don't see an where it would have an obvious color, but it does have a little seal on the front here. So let's see if I can do this without stabbing myself with my dagger there. All right, and okay, it's kind of a mauve color, I guess. But this is what it looks like, and if I didn't know better, I would think it was a lipstick. But that's interesting. That's a very fat head. So obviously a liquid blush then. Let's see. It's a plumper. And when I put it on, that's what it looks like. It's interesting. It does, I can feel a sensation. It's almost like a slight tingly sensation. That's kind of interesting. I don't know. I mean, I've swatched it now, so I wouldn't put it in a giveaway, but I don't know if I would use this. I don't know. We'll see. All right. But I don't think I've ever gotten a blush plumper. Let's see what else we have in here. All right. Okay. So we've got triple one skin or I skin or 111 skin. I never know how to say it, but I've gotten products from them before. And this is Rose Gold Illuminating Eye Mask. I have tried their Rose Gold or Gold face masks, sheet masks before. I'm not a fan. So I probably won't use these. Plus I have like a gazillion other eye little masks that I don't use very often. So this will probably go into a giveaway at some point. I know it's an expensive brand, but expensive doesn't always mean good, in my opinion. So anyway, there's that. Let's look at the next item in here. And this looks, okay, so yeah. John Masters Organic Lip Calm in Hawaiian Cocktail. So there's this. I don't know if you're seeing it well with that light. Let's see if I hold it closer. Is that too close? Am I hurting your eyes? Sorry. It says Hawaiian Cocktail. it kind of almost has a cucumber smell to it. Yeah, it's more of like a cucumber smell rather than like a fruit cocktail kind of smell. I don't know if it's just like a regular chapstick. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. So there's that. Next thing we have, we've got 2 items left in here. So let's pull out this. This is, okay, so Dr. Dennis Gross. This is, okay, even with my glasses on, that B Adaptive Superfoods, B2. It's one of the B vitamins, I'm assuming. Stress Rescue Super Serum. So this is the product, and it's another serum. I've got a lot of serums. It's kind of a milky color, or maybe that's, yeah. I'm not familiar with this brand. I'm not familiar with this product, so I'll add it to the serums I have and give it a try, and I'll let you know in a follow-up maybe what I thought of it. But there's that. We have the last item, which is a big item, well, for the box. This is, okay, so I have actually gotten a sample size of a product from Christoph Robin. I mistakenly called it Christopher Robin. No, this isn't a Winnie the Pooh product. It's Christoph, just with an E, no R. Christoph Robin. This is their cream. Okay, that's in French. This is a shampoo, looks like. Cleansing, oh, maybe it's a hair mask. It doesn't really say on here. It's mostly in French. Okay, so gently cleanses hair to its formula enriched with mild cleansing agents. Yeah, I don't know if it's an actual shampoo or mask, because I do see that it says cleansing mask with lemon, but I also see the word shampoo on here, so I'm not really sure what it is. But let's go ahead and give this a smell. It's got a seal on it, which is good. This one is like just a plastic. Ooh, that smells really good. It's like a whipped lemon cream. I like that a lot. Wow. I don't know how well you can see the texture of it, but it's like oh, it's so light. And it smells really good. I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna have to read the directions and see if I just use it like a regular shampoo, if this is something that you will rinse out, or if it's like a mask that you might leave it, like a leave-in conditioner mask type thing. I'm not sure, but that smells wonderful. And I love the texture of it, that creamy mousse-like texture. All right, well, I'm excited for that item. Other than that, that will do it for this box. Once again, this was Testtube Beauty from New Beauty, and it's a bi-monthly box, so it's every other month, and I believe it's $29.95, but I'll put all that information below in the description. And that will do it for this video. If you are somebody that subscribes to my channel and you regularly watch my videos and you've been wondering where I am, I apologize for being absent for a couple weeks. But like I said, the holidays just caught up with me, and I started back at school this week, so I'm trying to adjust to the new school schedule. But I'm still here, and I missed everybody, so it's good to be back and good to be doing unboxings again. So thank you for tuning in. If you have not done so already, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel, like my videos. I really appreciate it. And I hope everybody is staying happy, staying healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.